Welcome back, crafters. In today's tutorial, I'm crafting a charming Hello Kitty figure using my homemade cold porcelain clay. You can now DIY your Hello Kitty just by watching my video till end. At first, I sculpt face like this. I'm using cold porcelain clay because it dries at room temperature. No need to bake. It is the best thing about this clay. Here's small chunks of clay to make eye dots. It's really difficult to make such details with clay. You can use paint to make face features. I'm not good at painting detailed stuff, so I prefer to use clay or sometimes black beads for eyes. The disadvantage of this clay is that it's sometimes difficult to handle because I have to use glue to stick every detail like eyes, arms, etc. Here I apply clear glue on face before adding these details. In my opinion, if you are a beginner, you should use ultralight air-dry clay or super clay because it can be handled easily and need no glue to stick each detail. I hope my advice helped you. Here I am sculpting body. It's really easy to shape it. When I was a beginner, my clay art was so much bad. But I continue to practice and keep uploading, and now I haven't much subscribers or views, but I am satisfied with the gradual change in my art. You cannot be perfect, but you can be better. Believe in the power of small improvements to make a big difference. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress towards greatness. Keep grooving towards your goals. Join the fun and stay inspired. Hit that cute red subscribe button and become a part of my creative journey. And don't forget to like and leave a cute comment. It really helps with YouTube algorithm so that my video can reach to other people. Let's grow together. Attach arms and other details. When I started, I have no tools. I gradually collected these tools. So don't worry if you don't have these tools. Just taking a step forward. Here I am showing that how I make small bow. If you want a tutorial to make sculpting tools at home, then you can vote in comment section. But the ball tool is difficult and I never tried to make it. Here our bow is ready. Apply clear glue first, then stick it. And here it is, our hellokitty is ready. You can use same procedure with fondant to make cake topper, or insert eye-pin to make keychain, or you can set it in your trinket dish. Hey beautiful people, thanks for watching. See you soon.